In this tutorial, you will learn how to easily track a moving curved TV screen with light reflections in record time using After Effects. Follow along step by step. First, let's set up our composition size and duration. In this case, it's a vertical video that's 10 seconds long. Next, import both your TV footage and the video you want to display on the screen. We'll start with the main TV footage by placing it onto the timeline. Next, import both your main TV footage and the video you want to display on the screen. We'll begin with the main TV footage. Drag and drop it onto the new composition icon so it appears in your timeline. Don't skip this step. Now head over to the Effects and Presets panel. If you don't see it, go to the window menu at the top and select Effects and Presets. Search for Mocha AE and drag it onto your video layer. Click the Mocha logo to launch it, wait a few seconds, and hit Continue. If it asks you to register, just click Later. If the interface looks minimal, switch the view mode to Classic in the top right corner to access all the advanced tools. You can zoom in and out using your mouse scroll wheel, or click and hold the middle mouse button to pan around the canvas. Next, select the X-Spline Tool, which looks like the pen tool. Outline the outer edges of the TV frame. Make sure to track around the frame, not inside the screen itself. Once you complete the path, right-click to close it, then click the Track Forward button to begin tracking. Now for step 2, click on the Planar Surface icon. Adjust the 4 corner handles to match the corners of the screen. If there's any misalignment, make sure to tweak it here. Next, rename this layer to TV, or whatever name you prefer, and click off to apply. Now, repeat the process by selecting the X-Spline tool again. This time, create a new outline inside the TV, directly over the display area where your video will play. Rename this layer to Screen. Under the Link to Track dropdown, link the screen layer to the TV layer so it follows the movement perfectly. Before closing Mocha, don't forget to hit Save, so you don't lose your work. Back in After Effects, right-click in the timeline, go to New, and create a solid. Any color works, but I'll use green. Select your main TV video layer, expand tracking data in the Effect Controls panel, and click Create Track Data. Choose the TV layer and click OK. Under Export option, select Corner Pin, Support Motion Blur. Under Layer Export to, select the green solid layer we just created, then hit Apply. Notice how the green solid now locks onto the outside of the TV as it moves. Why do we need this solid? It acts as our placeholder for the actual video content. To replace it, select the solid and press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to pre-compose it. Choose the first option, leave all attributes so our tracking data stays intact. Double-click to open the pre-comp, then drop in the video you want to show on the screen. Since my source video is vertical, I'll right-click it, go to Transform, and select Fit to Comp. Back in our main composition, you'll see the video covers the outside of the TV frame. To get a clean, professional finish inside the screen, duplicate your main TV video layer, drag it to the top of the layer stack, and select it. Open Mocha AE again on this duplicated layer. Navigate to the Matte section, click Create AE Masks, and toggle the inverted checkbox on the mask settings in your timeline. You can delete the inner screen matte layer if you want. Just like that, your video fits perfectly inside the screen outline. Finally, to make the video reflections look natural, right-click the pre-comp layer, go to Blending Mode, and experiment. Soft light usually works best, but if the original screen is too bright, Multiply will preserve the contrast and reflections. Look at that result. It looks seamless. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll get back to you right away.